Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies. And this is Hemming Samuel D.D. from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Hemming Samuel D.D. Previous to the union of the two Grand Lodges of England in 1813, the Prestonian system of lectures was practiced by the Grand Lodge of Modern Masons, while the Athol Masons recognized higher degrees and varied somewhat in their ritual over the lower. When the union was consummated and the United Grand Lodge of England was organized, a compromise was effected, and Dr. Hemming, who was the senior Grand Warden and had been distinguished for his skill as the master of a lodge, and his acquaintance with the ritual, was appointed to frame a new system of lectures. The Prestonian system was abandoned, and the Hemming lectures adopted in its place, not without the regard of many distinguished Masons, among whom was Dr. Oliver. The Hemming lectures are now the authorized system of the Grand Lodge of England. Some of the county lodges, however, still adhere to the system of Preston, and the Prestonian lectures are annually delivered in London. Among the innovations of Dr. Hemming, which are to be regarded, are the abolishment of the dedication to the two Saints John, and the substitution for it of a dedication to Solomon. Some other changes that were made were certainly no improvements. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.